Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, let's talk to you about how you can add Tap to Cache Control Center feature on your iPhone. Don't forget, dear friends, please do not forget to put likes to this video. Be sure to write your comments after watching it, and also subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get started. And first, you will need to swipe from the right side of your iPhone screen, top to bottom. Next, hold on the empty field. Now select the option to add control. And next, please type in the search box the words Tap to Cache. And now please click on that label to add it. You can also modify the size of this shortcut as required. Now click on the empty box, and as you can see, the shortcut will be added. You can now click on it to proceed to further customization if you may not have this feature fully configured yet. That's how quickly and very easily you can add the Tap to Cache feature to the Control Center on your iPhone. I really hope this video, dear friends, has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.